that's a good one anyway, but there's no worry at all. You know, I'm a Ghanaian and I respect your perspective. I think it's up to the time we manage to try and grow from this minor stresses. Let me tell you the most interesting thing about this. Gazi and I produced a song which has Angelique Kidjo on it, 100% produced by Gazi. So that's heights on its own. They will never be left out. There will never be a worry at all. There can never be a worry to even start with when, you know, we open our tentacles. Producers who are close to me, Gazi, Street Beats, I'm being very specific. Gazi, Street Beats, I've always connected them with internationals. And they've always at least played a thing or two in projects for some other people that you would hear about. You know, so there's no worry at all. I just want to be clear that there's no worry. And that me working with the likes of Super Dupes, working with the likes of, I've worked with a lot of international top producers, some Tremaine. It only shows that we have to grow. We have to be able to get to that level. If you want the world to listen to you, then you have to be working on the world stage. I think it's as simple as that. You want the world to listen to you and you're working on local stage. It's impossible. It's not an insult. It's impossible. You want to go to New York, you are in Accra, you are in the embassy. I've not gone to New York now. So this is good for Ghana to have producers as this, the one who produced Super Dupes and Easy, are you kidding me? Easy produced the whole Coffee album, Grammy and all of that. Then Super Dupes, let me tell you a short story. When the team in the States contacted for studio session, he said he wasn't gonna come, but because it was me, he felt like he's been watching this guy grow, because he's overdone it. He's multi-platinum, 15-time Grammy, whatnot. But he showed love. He came out to want to contribute to the growth of another African, you know, child who is hustling. So it's a good thing for us. Now that he's worked with me, do you think if anybody reaches out as a Ghanaian, it will ring a bell? Oh yes, do you know Stonebwoy? I worked with Stonebwoy. Okay, let me hear what you got to do. So that is how we have to take this. There's no fears, there's no switching, we're only growing. And inviting a lot more of these producers to work with us is very important so that we can actually get onto the global standards. If you listen to the sound, you can hear the difference. Yes, that's all I have to say. We have to thrive to work outside of our comfort zones. That's the only way we can grow to represent for Ghana and ourselves and be proud. So there's no worry at all.